Hi everybody, our video today is from our visit to Riverwalk Trail, Ouray-Colorado. The Uncompahgre River Walk Trail is a scenic walking and biking path located in Ouray-Colorado. The trail follows the Uncompahgre River through the heart of town, offering beautiful views of the surrounding mountains and the river itself. The trail is approximately 1.25 miles long and is paved, making it accessible to walkers, runners, and bikers of all abilities. Along the way, there are several benches and picnic tables where visitors can take a break and enjoy the scenery. In addition to the natural beauty of the area, the Uncompahgre River Walk Trail also features several art installations and interpretive signs that provide information about the history and ecology of the region. Overall, the Uncompahgre River Walk Trail is a wonderful way to experience the natural beauty of Ouray-Colorado, and is a popular destination for both locals and visitors alike. We hope you enjoy our video, and please feel free to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch our videos, for upcoming videos of our travels. We appreciate each and every one of you.
You called me early morning, it was a bagel. You was out late last night, drinking with your girls and you come through, but every time you do we fight. I'm only asking once, can we not do this? I don't wanna fight all night. I'd rather kiss your lips and undress you, and take you on your favorite ride. But you don't care if you hurt me. Lead me on for fun, and not for once I'm telling you. This up, you lose someone who really loves ya. Not that he can bother you. Hey, Miss Magical, what you up to? Can I have a minute of your time? You want me to turn my heel and forget you? All I know, it can't be done. I'm only asking once, would you let me take a minute of your time? You might just be surprised at where it gets you. All I know, I'm in it for the ride. But you don't care if you hurt me. Called me early morning, it was a bagel. You was out late last night, drinking with your girls and you come through, but every time you do we fight. I'm only asking once, can we not do this? I don't wanna fight all night. I'd rather kiss your lips and undress you, and take you on your favorite ride. But you don't care if you hurt me. Don't